Hello guys! Good morning, good morning! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, another sexy lingerie ang ating i-haul ang review for today. This is a black color. So without further ado, let's begin. This is my new collection for today. Look at this. Oh, lace see-through lingerie. Ito ay Natalia. So, tingnan natin yung kanyang quality kung maganda. Maganda po yung tahi niya. Nice quality and the material is so nice. Lace siya pero stretchable po siya. Maganda po siya. Oh. Pati yung tahi niya. Yan. Sa likod ganun din. See-through din. Ay yung tahi niya dito. Napakaganda ng tahi. Oh. Nice quality po yung kanyang tahi. And this is a bikini string lingerie panty. Nice din yung kanyang pagka-stretch dito. Para siyang strap ng bra. Ayan o. So, ma-adjust mo siya. Pwede mo siyang i-adjust. Halimbawa, ikaw ay maliit. You can adjust your side. Ayan. Ganyan lang po. I-adjust mo lang yung side na ito para siya magkasya na kung ikaw ay maliit na babae. Your slim body. So, the front here, look at this front. Nice. Very see-through. Yan ang back view niya. So, tingnan natin yung dugtungan ng tahi. Wow. Nice quality. Look at this. And this is, I think this is medium size. Hand wash lang din po ito. And the crotch is so perfect. Look at this. There is a small amount of cotton na very safe ang ating private part dahil meron siyang nakalagay na cotton. But, huwag din bubuka-buka dahil maliit lang po yung kanyang lining. So, the sewing in the center, look at this, yung dugtungan niya, yung join niya, ang ganda po. Hindi ka magsisisi. So, very, very nice ang kanyang quality. Look at this. This is a back view. And very see-through. And also here, nice, beautiful. Look at that. And this is very affordable dahil nabili ko ito sa Robinson Department Store. Ito po ay nagkakalaga ng 149.75 centavos piso sa Philippine money. So, hindi ka nalugi dito dahil the quality is good, perfect. And also the sewing, nice. Very good din. And the material is so nice, so good. Cool na cool. Very see-through. And the crotch is so perfect. Tingnan mo yung ganda ng quality ng dugtungan, oh. Perfect, oh. Dugtong na dugtong, oh. Yung join niya. Yan ang tamang dugtong na hindi malayo ang ano. Dapat magkadikit ang bawat dugtong o point by point. Ayan, o, tingnan mo. Ganita. Nice. So, that is for today for our sexy G-string lace lingerie bikini panty. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.